What's up everyone? Welcome back to One Strange Adventure. Welcome to the next video. In today's video, we are sponsored by Centramatics. And these are the wheel balancers that you put on and you never have to balance your tires again. So we're gonna see how they work. They were actually sent us this demo. And so what it shows is essentially what it's like to have a wheel that's balanced and then make it unbalanced. And we'll put this in here right here. And you get the wobble, crazy wobble. Then you put the Centramatics on. Wobble, no more wobble. Isn't that cool? It's pretty awesome. So we're gonna be doing that to our truck. If anybody has a Ford F450, you know exactly why I'm doing this. Because the wobble at 65, 70 miles an hour is nuts. Even though we have newer tires and actually a an expensive truck, but we're gonna put these on and see how it does. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna take a drive and we're gonna put a little water in there just so you can kind of get a visual sense of the vibration that we feel going down the road. And then we're gonna do the same test after we install the wheel balancers. So let's get this video going. All right, we're gonna go on our first drive or our drive without the Centramatic wheel balancers installed. And what we're going to do is we're going to try to help you visualize how much vibration is in an F450 when you're unloaded. When you're loaded, it's fine because there's a lot of weight sitting over the bed. But when you're unloaded, those tires are just really harsh, especially at 65, 70 miles an hour. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this thing down the interstate, see if we can help you visualize the vibration, and then that way you have kind of a baseline, and then we'll install them and then do the same thing afterwards, kind of give you an after, and hopefully it helps take some of the vibration out of the F450. All right, so we are currently at like 70-ish miles an hour and can definitely feel the rear vibrating some going down the road. And we have this jar of water here that we're going to be able to show you, hopefully, the vibration of what it looks like kind of going down the road. Let's see if we can get it. F450 balancer rear. Ooh, it's really nice having a cameraman. So this is what it is. It's a plate with the channel, and then the beads are in the channel. And as you speed up, it goes the opposite of where it's unbalanced, so that it balances it out. Pretty cool. And you just put this on and then you put your tire back on. So this actually goes between the two tires. Just like that. So I was looking at this, and of course I went to the instructions, and it says to actually put it to where it faces out towards the outside wheel, so I have it backwards. I'm going to flip it, but also make sure that one of these openings so that you can get to your valve stem still. So I'm going to flip that around. I'm going to put it like that so I can still get to my valve stem. It's probably an important detail. Alright, now the wheel goes back on. Yeah, they're on the same spot. I totally did not mean to do that, but it actually worked out. Lip towards me, going outward. Make sure this lines up with your valve stem. There we go. So many daggone lug nuts, man. This one goes on this way, so that it kind of covers so it goes back with the rim. Just like that. And since you don't have a extra tire back there, you don't have to worry about lining up anything, which is nice. I want to point out the size of the brakes on this thing though. The 450 is big. Come on now. Boy, I got dirty on this one. Front brake's working. All right. Alright, true test of how much faith you have and that you put the wheels back on the truck correctly. If I didn't, I at least have my trusty sidekick here with me. Alright, we're gonna take the same route we did last time, and we're gonna use the phone meters and the water and just see if there's any difference. And of course us kind of giving testimonials as we go, just to see if there's any difference in the vibration. 65 is way smoother. At 65 miles an hour, we had a lot of vibration, and I think this is smoother now. Personally, what I'm thinking is that there's still vibration, but it doesn't feel as like rigid, vibrating side to side as it did. Okay, so now it's been a couple weeks since we actually installed the Centramatics on the F450. And I have to say, at this point, it's a night and day difference. I don't know if it was the wear on the tires at the time or if they need a break-in or what, but there is a bigger difference now than there was when we first installed them, for sure. The truck rides so much smoother. Especially when it's unloaded around 65, 70 miles an hour. And it just makes it for a much more enjoyable ride. As I mentioned earlier, the owner, or the guy that I was working with, mentioned that if you put them on new tires, then you feel a huge difference from the start. So maybe it was just the wear on the tires that was just not really working for it at the beginning. So, but right now, it feels really good. I would highly recommend this. If you're getting an F450 or thinking about getting an F450, I highly recommend investing in these. Now, we also have them for the RV. They actually make them for the trailers. We haven't installed those yet because we're thinking about getting some new tires, and we just wanted to kind of hold off until that point. I can't wait to install them on the RV and then kind of give you guys an idea of if it makes a big difference there as well. I would imagine we're not going to feel it as much because it's, 40 feet behind me, but at the same time, it could be a huge difference. I just don't know yet. But for the Ford F450, if you're thinking about getting it, definitely think about getting those Centramatics and making your life a little bit easier. The only other way to really take the vibration out is to change the suspension out and change the tires, because it's a stiff ride. It really is. It doesn't matter how much you pay for it. It's a stiff ride all the way through the trim levels. But the good news is there is a solve for it. So be thinking about that. The link is going to be in the description below if you guys are interested. Huge thank you to Centramatics for sending these to us and letting us test them out. And we absolutely love them. So we appreciate you guys working with us. All right, well, that does it for today's video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you like it, make sure you subscribe. Till the next strange adventure, keep making your own.